Why, Agilesh? Without noise, you do not know how to enter the class? So, good morning, children. Once again, good morning. Be very perfect in your work. With that word, I will start today's class. Yesterday, we completed one exercise of the inquiry letter. What was the exercise yesterday we completed? Anybody knows, or do you remember that one, or everything forgot? Yesterday, we started an inquiry letter for a communication skill. Very clearly, I told you while we are writing an inquiry letter, what is compulsory, children? One thing is compulsory, I told you. Do you remember? What is compulsory in inquiry letter? Anybody? Say, I didn't hear. Somebody is trying to say something, but it is not audible. Say, children, what is important for inquiry letter?
Reference, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Who said that answer?
Kirti, ma'am.
Kirti, give good clap to Kirti, everyone. Not like that. In clap option is there, no? In the emoji, click emoji, their clap option is there. Navaneet, very good. Navaneet clapped. So you can click that one. Applause is there. Vaishali clapped. Sanjit. Okay, okay, okay. So all these things you should know, children. Okay. Put your hands down, everyone. Put your hands down. Sangamitra, Priyanka, Shanmadi, Sri Ridish, Mahit Kishore. Put your hands down, Varsha, Harshen, Shanmadi. Put your hands down, children. So today we are going to see another one, inquiry letter. In inquiry letter, reference is very, very important. What is important in inquiry letter? Say. What is important in an inquiry letter? Reference. What do you mean by reference? Reference means from where we got such kind of information. That is what is known as reference of a letter. So suppose if we are talking to them or we are inquiring about a course, there are four important things are there. Either we can write it in a sentence or bullet wise we can write. Now the screen it is there. First one, duration of the course. Second one, fee structure, hostel facility and mode of payment. So what are the things you want to know? You can write it as a point wise, like bullets you can give and you can write as a point wise, or you can write in a sentence. Two options are there. But what is compulsory? Reference is compulsory. Got it, children? What is compulsory? A reference is compulsory. So next question, ninth question you write, children. This one example. You are Rakesh or Anju of 417 Janak Garden, New Delhi. You wish to join a personality development course offered by Center of Personality Development, New Delhi. Write a letter inquiring about the details of the course. Write fast. Open the video, everyone, and let me check your classwork. Open the video. Show your classwork. Show your classwork. Point Jay Sri Ji, Parvesh, Suhida, okay. Then what about others? Sanjit, okay. Yes, fine. Who else? Vishal, and all I cannot see. You, I am sharing the screen only. You can also see Navaneet, Priyanka, Sangamitra. See, I want to see Anu, Anuj, Anusha Devi. These people are not at all showing. Anu, Anuj. Okay, Darshan, Navaneet. Close it, children. These children alone you show. Arun Divagar. Arun Divagar. Ajay, I saw. Okay, Arun Divagar. Come in line. Arun Divagar. Anbu Selvam. Jay Sriji, Prakash, Pragadish, Anushya Devi, I didn't see. Arun Divagar, Hurdik Muthusamy. Show Arun Divagar, Hardik Muthusamy. Show 9th C children. Everybody close the video. Now 9th C alone show to me. 9th C. Sorry, 10th C. Now we are in 10th C. No, 10th C alone show to me. Sugarsha, close the video. 10th C. Only Navaneet is from 10th C. Anu. Tarun Tikesh Kumar. Okay, Anu. Pragadish I saw. Tikesh Kumar. Akhilesh, show the class work. Akhilesh school irkumbade edudale. Akhilesh, show the class work. Akhilesh not in the meeting. Arun Divagar, Bhavana, so I saw Bhavana. Arun Divagar, open the video. Bhumish Raj. Arun Divagar, Bhumish Raj General. Today I will call the parent. Okay, children, start to write. Screen is visible to you only, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then start to write, children. First question write. Today I have to complete at least 3 questions. So write fast. It's a small letter only. You can write within 5 minutes. 9th question, this one. Write fast. You are Rakesh or Anju of 417. That is the house number. You have to put a comma there. Already it is there, I think. So. No. Janet Garden in New Delhi. You wish to join a personality development course offered by Center for Personality Development, New Delhi. Center for Personality Development, that is the institute name. There C and a P and a D should be capital. Write a letter inquiring about the details of the course. Write fast. Completed the question, children? Then come to the answer. First component, first part, first number. Write fast. Any doubt in between, you can unmute yourself and ask to me.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, fully completed children. For centers address 470 Janet Garden, New Delhi. The next date 20th May 2000 access. Next receiver's address. See, content usage children, subject inquiry about the personality development course. Sir is salutation with with reference you have to write with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India. Date is given there. Did you see that one? I will highlight. I wish to join the summer course in personality development offered by you. Kindly furnish me the details regarding the duration of the course, fee, terms and conditions, if any, and eligibility criteria. This is only a sample, but our letter should be 100 to 120 words it is needed. So you can include your own point while it is asking for the examination point of view. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Children completed. Shall I move with another question?
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody completed. Those are not completed, raise your hand, children. I think all completed. Everybody completed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Navani not completed, Navani. Navani. Navani.
Completed one question.
1 minute, children. It becomes stuck. See, 11th question you can write, pa. 11th question. So far, we two examples we written about a course. This one is we can write about a service. Okay, wedding reception service. You can write the question. Write detailed inquiries and holiday in Canberra for conducting the wedding reception of your younger brother at the hotel. Make a specific inquiries about the catering cost per head, service and decoration charges. You can also ask for the advance amount to be paid. You are Karishma or Kamini of Kanpur. Who called me in between? Write this question, children. The screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Then write fast. Write fast. Question completed. So next answer start to write. You no need to write answer rental. Okay, you just start to write answer in 3 lines. House number 4 bar 43 bar 3. They are not given any address there. So you have to write a address. 20 May 2006, General Manager, holiday in Kanpur. Write fast. Next, General Manager, holiday in Kanpur is the receive conduct what things you have to sorry, just